Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the negative battery cable before beginning the installation. To begin, insert the key and rotate it to the accessory position. Push a paper clip into the access hole and turn the key counterclockwise, freeing the ignition lock from the switch. To complete the installation, insert the new lock cylinder and rotate it through all positions to verify proper function.